Huzzah! And welcome to Nightingale Plays Lunar Wish Orbs of Fate. I saw this game while I was looking for random 8-bit games to play, and this one caught my eye, mostly because of the extreme fantasy title, which my girlfriend calls it. So, without further ado, let's get into it. New game. I don't want to skip the introduction, thank you. Wait, hold on, no, skip the introduction scene? No. There we go. I'm glad it asked that. This game is best played with sound. I do have the sound. It actually took me forever to figure out how to get the... Okay, maybe I should be quiet for a moment. No, it's fine. Anyway, it actually took me a while to figure out how to get the sound to be lowered on this and not the microphone, because this was completely overshadowing. Oh, somebody's dead? Oh, cool. Ah! Looks like I'm a mage sort of person, if that's me. Oh no, that person's crying. Or maybe it was... I'm confused. It looks awesome though. Kronos. Ah, that must be the Orb of Fate. Or one of them. Jeez. Ooh. I'm guessing that's tears. That poor person. I hope it's not me. Ooh, cool. Are you alright, Fate? You have to keep going. But what about? I'll take care of her. Now you must hurry. Oh, jeez. Your brother needs you. I'm probably Fate, aren't I? Alright. Ooh. Okay, this must be my brother. Griff. This guy gets a cool name like Fate. Okay, so Lunar Orbs out of control. That's right, no man gets left behind. What did you expect? The soldiers, they're endless. There's always an endless supply of soldiers. Oh. Oh. That doesn't look good. Yep, we broke it. Way to go, us. Actually, let's just blame Fate. Unless we are Fate. I think we are Fate. It would only make sense. The sending! Alright. This is so cool. Oh. Jeez. I don't think we're in... No. Lunar Wish. Orbs of Fate. Flash. Present day. Well, they should say that. I'm so excited. This is gonna be so awesome. Tosh, eh? Oh. As ready as I'll ever be. Oh, cool bow. A hero-like move. I love this game already. Aw, don't beat up Tosh. That face is so adorable. You jerk. They're enchanted. That's enough training for today. Fuck. Your name is really close to a swear word. Chapter 1. Let's do it. Oh. Interesting. This is really well done. Apollon Village. Cool. I'm noticing a distinct lack of apples at the moment. Tutorial. X or escape to open the menu. In the menu you can look at items, character status, and other various things. Hold shift and the arrow keys to get some extra speed. You can toggle between full screen and window mode by Alt Enter. You can save your progress at any of the glowing blue books. Cool. So we're playing as Fog? Weird. Huh. Yes. I have file 1. Saved. Awesome. Alright, so shift gives us... Oh, cool. Alright, menu. This is so awesome. Cool. Quests. No quests. Equip. Oh, interesting. Skill. Item. Consumable weapon. I have no weapons. I have nothing. That's to be expected. Alright. Cool. Let's go talk to some people. Do you mind? Haven't you ever been taught it's rude to eavesdrop on other people's conversations? Ow! My gosh, woman. Jeez. Haven't you been told not to abuse children? Good lord. Alright. Let's go see what's in that weapon area. That looked interesting. The store's closed. Of course it is. Let's walk through somebody's farm. Since we're a lone village, getting resources here is kind of hard, so we have to rely on growing produce. Sounds cool. I'm gonna go ahead and guess that we have to talk to that guy that was down here. Fuck. So close to a swear word. I got another hero stamp. Hero stamps? I want some. So I'll take over some evil demon so I can beat it up. Yes, I'm the hero. I can definitely see that. Nothing. Oh, so you're that girl. Interesting. Whoa, a squirrel. Oh, I stepped on it. Ah, I did it again. Hello. Ah, this game sounds so amazing. Alright, let's talk to this person. Oh, okay, so let's go in here. Might as well. Alright, I gotta go ahead and take a break. So, farewell, and see you next time for another adventure.